Oh,
What are you doing?
I'm putting my hands up.
You are making us look bad.
No, I am not.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not.
Why would you do that?
Because it is a very sensible thing to do.
Eddie?
I will take care of this myself.
Eddie, where's the bug? Take him down.
I'm so sorry about your friends. What is that?
Not what.
Oh. Shit.
Outstanding.